Hi guys, this is gsno.com and I'm here with the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite 4G. We've already unboxed the 5G version and we're here with a more affordable one which shares quite a few features and design traits with the 5G version. Now the price is $320 and this is one of the most compact mid-range phones from 2021. It's got a beautiful build, as you can see. It's pretty slim and also very light. And also, as you can see, it brings the same or similar camera yin-yang design as the regular and powerful Mi 11. Once again, 4G version, Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite. So triple camera here, and this is the front side with a punch hole for the selfie camera. I have already set up the device. It's firing up right now, and let's see what's inside the box. So the Mi 11 series has expanded. It includes two Lite models, a Pro model, an Ultra model, and the Core one. In the box we find the key used to access the slots, as well as a few useful accessories like the user guide, as well as the warranty card. And then we also have a case, this one here, with a cutout for the camera. It's flexible and transparent. And then we proceed to the actual box where there's an adapter. The Xiaomi Mi 11, the Core one, started this trend and I've seen it on basically all its relatives, including the Ultra model. Let's actually pull it out if we can. It's an adapter from USB-C to 3.5 millimeters. It lets you connect your older headphones or headset or whatever you want to call it to this phone even without a audio jack. Then here comes the USB cable. It goes from USB-C to USB-A, which was to be expected. And we have a charger, which I'm pretty confident is the same one from the 5G version. It's got an USB-A connector and promises to juice up the phone up to 33 watts. Okay, so that's that. Okay, we finished the innards of the box. Let's focus on the device itself. Once again, I'm pretty surprised by the fact that we're getting such a compact package and such a good looking phone in this case here, and it's only just a bit above $300. You probably also noticed that the screen is pretty bright. I already felt the need to tweak its brightness, and here we are with our website, gsno.com. Now, as far as the design is concerned, check this out. Only 6.8 millimeters in thickness, so below 7 millimeters, and only 157 grams in weight. One of the lightest and slimmest phones around in the mid-range department, and lightest and slimmest, that's it, no matter what the segment is. It's got also IP53 certification for some minor dust and splash protection, and the Mi 11 style yin-yang camera. Believe it or not, it has glass at the back, glass at the front, and a plastic frame in between. Now, if you want to talk about the display, we're here for that. This one is a 6.55-inch AMOLED panel, which displays 1 billion colors and offers a Full HD Plus resolution, as well as HDR10 support and a 90 Hz refresh rate. It's got Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and then we move inside the phone where we find a familiar face, a CPU we have actually seen recently on another handset, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G. It's an 8nm octa-core CPU seen on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro and the Poco X3. It's accompanied, in this case, let's see, it's accompanied by 8 gigs of RAM as well as 120 gigabytes of storage, plus we have a micro SD card slot. On the battery front, we have a 4250 mAh battery with 33 watt charging. We're also doing fine on the speaker front. There's one at the bottom and there's one at the top. It's included in the earpiece here, so stereo speakers. We don't have an audio jack, but we do have an infrared emitter here to control your TV set, set-top box, air conditioner, and so forth. At the bottom you can find, aside from the speaker, the USB-C cable, microphone, and the SIM tray, which is also the one that holds the micro SD. Now, on the connectivity front, you're probably going to want to know that this device has Wi-Fi dual band. It also has other features like Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 8 GPS. There's also NFC here and infrared, as I mentioned before. Well, for the sake of security, you're going to have to use this side-placed fingerprint scanner in the power button, which is quite easy to handle and comfy. and as you can see, it memorized my print and then unlock the device. Now I think it's time to address the camera situation. So here in the punch hole sits a 16 megapixel shooter which shoots full HD video. Well, if we go to the back side, it's pretty much the same package as I've seen on the Mi 11 Lite 5G. So 64 megapixel main camera with a Samsung sensor. It combines 4 pixels in one, takes 16 megapixel shots. And next up we have an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and then a 5 megapixel macro camera, be advised with autofocus. We also have the LED flash here and we can shoot 4K 30 frames per second video. Just so you know, we're running on Android 11 with the MIUI 12 on top. And this is the camera interface, nothing you haven't seen before on a Xiaomi phone. Have a portrait option, have the more section with quite a few nifty things, including the movie effects we first saw on the Mi 11, magic zoom, slow shutter, time freeze, night time lapse and parallel world. This is my favorite. It makes things appear like in the movie Inception. Okay, long exposure as well, panorama, night mode, clone, 64 megapixel shots, vlog, and so much more. This is the video section. Can also offer a stabilization boost with steady video. And the pro segment, you can tweak exposure, ISO, shutter, focus and white balance in photo, but also in video. How cool is that? Okay, that's pretty much it. MIUI 12 is already known to most of you if you've seen our reviews. It's all about minimalism. You have here the MIUI 12.0.4, still waiting on the 12.5, which should be interesting. And this is Android 11. This is it in a nutshell, one of the most compact and light phones in the mid-range segment right now, Mi 11 Lite 4G, $320. We'll be back with a full review very soon. This is from gsrone.com. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Bye bye.